as we approach the anticipated unveiling of the iPhone 15 in less than a month. The veil of secrecy surrounding the new phone is gradually lifting, while we already have a wealth of information about the upcoming device. A few last-minute rumors are surfacing, providing us with further insights into Apple's exciting plans for the next generation of iPhones. In today's video, we are going to talk about what possible designs and features the upcoming iPhone 15 series might come with. So without further ado, let's dive in. Starting with the design, in the past few days, leaked images of the iPhone 15 series have been circulating online, revealing the front glass panel and screen protectors of the upcoming devices, adding to the excitement. South Korean leaker U1122 has now shared some intriguing images of dummy units for the new iPhones. These images not only offer a sneak peek at the design but also provide a visual comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro and its predecessor, the iPhone 14 Pro. Excitingly, Apple has decided to implement the captivating dynamic island design with pill-shaped and circular cutouts throughout its entire iPhone lineup. Initially, this design was expected to be exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models, but now it will be standard across all variants. Additionally, the Pro models might boast slim bezels, and although the leaked images make it a bit challenging to discern, the bezels appear to have a subtle curved edge, adding to the overall sleek and modern look of the devices. The design alterations are indeed quite subtle, and they might go unnoticed by the average user. Nevertheless, it's commendable that Apple is aiming for a cohesive appearance across the entire iPhone lineup by adopting the dynamic island design for all models, including the base variants. However, despite this unification in design, there is still a likelihood that the advanced 120Hz refresh rate feature will remain exclusive to the Pro models, so while the visual aesthetics will be consistent across all iPhones, certain premium features, like the higher refresh rate, might be reserved for the Pro series. It seems that this year, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus models are likely to receive significant camera upgrades, including the introduction of a powerful 48-megapixel camera. However, reports suggest that these models won't be equipped with Apple's latest Bionic chip, setting them apart from the more advanced versions. On the other hand, the highest tier offering, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, is generating excitement due to rumors surrounding its potential inclusion of a cutting-edge periscope camera. If this feature becomes a reality, it has the potential to elevate the iPhone 15 Pro Max to the status of the best camera phone of the year, promising impressive optical capabilities and imaging prowess every year. One of the most eagerly anticipated revelations about the new iPhone is its color options. Even though most users eventually cover it up with a case this time around, excitement is building around the possibility of a pink color variant. Earlier speculation hinted at a blue and deep red option, but a reliable leaker named Shrimp Apple Pro, known for accurate Apple leaks in the past, has disclosed that the iPhone 15 will be available in green, yellow, and pink, in addition to the classic black midnight and white starlight, and product red colors. Currently, the iPhone 14 lineup offers color choices like blue, purple, and yellow. According to a Twitter leaker known as RGCloudS, Apple is said to adopt a stacked battery design for the iPhone 15, potentially enabling larger battery capacities. This aligns with previous rumors that indicated Apple's intention to increase the battery size on the iPhone 15. He also mentioned witnessing a 40-watt wired charging and 20-watt MagSafe charging solution, although there is a possibility that these higher charging capabilities could be postponed until the iPhone 16. As of now, the iPhone 14 Pro models offer a maximum of approximately 27 watts of wired charging, while MagSafe charging is limited to 15 watts. If the leakers' claims are accurate, future iPhones could see significant improvements in charging speeds and battery performance in short leaked images, and rumors have given us a tantalizing glimpse into what Apple has in store for its next generation of iPhones, from the captivating dynamic island design to potential camera upgrades and a variety of vibrant color options. It seems that the iPhone 15 series is poised to deliver an impressive user experience. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.